FishBase is the globally most accessed specialized database about marine and freshwater fishes, providing information about the life cycle, population dynamics, and other aspects of fish biology. It is continuously updated with new information contributed by experts in the field, making it an invaluable resource for the fisheries domain. In SemantiFish project, we plan to utilize state-of-the-art semantic web technologies to transform FishBase into a semantic web knowledge base. This will enhance the data interoperability and integration by structuring information using standard vocabularies and ontologies, facilitating therefore seamless data exchange and integration across different systems and domains. Moreover, it will promote FishBase resources sharing and reuse by making them more discoverable and accessible both for humans and machines. The result will be a semantic web knowledge base whose contents will be queried using the query language SparkQL. Moreover, a dedicated API will be implemented as a versatile gateway for accessing the wealth of resources of the knowledge